Hello. Today I am going to show you the Account and Permissions tab within the Rating Captain app. Here you will find all the detailed information regarding your profile, your active locations, username, email address, and password, which you have the option to change. In this section, you will also find settings for language, time zone, and unit of measurement. Additionally, you can request assistance using the tutorial, which will guide you on how to navigate through the app and take your first steps. You can also add supplementary word that will be automatically inserted in places where you create responses to reviews in the app. In this section, you can also configure the white label function, including easily adding your own logo. When you decide to add your own logo, it is immediately updated and visible in reports and on the position map, which you can share using the Share Link feature. This ensures your branding is consistently represented in all shared materials. If you want to adjust settings and create a position map by sharing your agency's link, you can change our domain track with .us to your own branded one. You can also enter your email address so clients receive information directly from you, including reports, weekly updates about reviews, and AI summaries of answer reviews. You also have the ability to add text to automated responses to customer feedback, making them more personalized and friendly, which will certainly increase their satisfaction. Additionally, you can take advantage of other personalization options which will help you communicate better with clients and build lasting relationships with them. We also have integration with Google's Looker Studio, and here you can generate your own token to create custom reports by API connection. Access to Google Account tab is where you can link your Google accounts. If you notice that, for example, your Google account doesn't have the profile of a newly created listing, a profile you've gained access to from a manager's level, or the latest reviews, and so on, you can easily synchronize and then log in again to the Google account from which information is missing and reconnect your profile, which will then import all the information. You can also connect another Google account if you want to have access to other Google profiles by clicking link Google account. In the Coworkers account tab, you have the opportunity to manage individuals who can collaborate on your profiles. Within this section, you are able to add members to your team and assign them access to particular work groups that you designate. They will have the capability to view only those profiles that you specifically allow them to see. Through their own sub-account, they can take charge of managing these profiles effectively. Additionally, you hold the authority to adjust their permissions, ensuring you have the ultimate control over what they can access and perform. You can also keep a close watch on their activities to ensure everything is running smoothly. In the next tab, which is labeled as Coworkers Accounts, you have the ability to edit the working group by assigning different permissions to each member. This allows you to customize the level of access and control each coworker has within the group. However, it is important to keep in mind that you also have the option to delete the entire group. Be cautious, as this action will make the change irreversible and you will not be able to recover the group's settings or information once it has been deleted. For a more detailed explanation of these features and how to effectively manage the group settings, please see the provided link here. In the next tab, which is the subscription section, you will find detailed information about your current limits, features, and more. If you want to increase your limit, you can upgrade to a higher plan. If you require additional assistance, you can schedule an online meeting on the Google Meet platform with a consultant. Finally, if you need help, you will find all the important information in the knowledge base. Schedule a meeting or propose a new feature in the app if you would like one.